Well, miss. Yeah, open it. They're already getting close to work.
I'm sorry.
Not the worst. Go through, sir. Your strip search is first. I like those pins. See that?
I like the way that works when you wave at that. It works all the time when you wave at it.
Oh, yeah. Pretty much.
Oh, Lordy.
What you got? Just a simple.
2 warrants out of Bear County.
2 warrants out of Bear County.
Failed ID in possession.
The reason we stopped here is because he was in Indianapolis. So we brought him into the first county when we re-entered Texas, Tennessee. I don't know which country in the state I'm in anymore, but yeah. No, we live here in Bear County.
Bear County, come get him.
Or so they claim.
Get a hold of an officer from downstairs to come up here.
Yes, sir.
Right back.
Yes, sir. No problem. Thank you.
Lordy.
I don't know if they told y'all when other people had lost my ID.
They lost it?
Yeah.
No, they didn't tell us. The guys that picked you up in Indianapolis?
Yeah.
Oh, really? No, they didn't tell us.
Your shoes off and shit.
You mean they took it like for verification or something and forgot to give it back to you?
When they had arrested me, then we stopped somewhere so they can put the little planks on my feet and stuff.
They just forgot to give it back to you?
No, they lost it in
Oh,
Indianapolis.
they lost it.
Yeah, they said it dropped out or something.
Was that your Texas ID?
Yeah.
Give me that folder.
No, I ain't got any stuff.
How you doing tonight?
Some other stuff. I don't know. Cell phone right there. That's about it.
Take everything out of your pocket.
Let's see on the bottom of this feet. Let's see the other one. You can put the shit back on. I don't know if you need that cushion pad. What? I don't know what to put it at. If not, we're back in the storage spot.
We bought $7 from San Antonio.
What did he say?
They didn't know they can keep me or not. We about to go.
Well, I mean, like I said, when we get here, whatever they say. You know, if they refuse to, for whatever reason, we told them, you know, by law we have to, so that's why we're here first. So if you guys are going to turn us away, see, that's law enforcement directing you. We don't want him for whatever reason. Okay, that's good enough. It's good enough. So you don't want him, you're going to go back with me, and back to San Antonio we go. That shortens up the ride for you. But have to do this first. So we got to wait and see what they're going to do now.
I was locked up in Guadalupe County. It took them about 9 days to come 30 days.
Yeah, they're not in any hurry there.